Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to record sales transactions for tobacco products, where GST is calculated on the tax-inclusive MRP in TallyPrime. Effective from 1st February 2026, GST rates on cigarettes and other tobacco products have been revised to 40%, while BDs will continue to attract 18% GST as per CGST notification number 20, dated 31st December 2025. GST will be calculated on the tax-inclusive MRP instead of the actual selling price. From TallyPrime Release 7.1, you can record such transactions directly in TallyPrime. To begin, configure stock item for tobacco products. Press Alt-G. Then select Alter Master. Stock item. And select a tobacco product you want to alter. Press F12 and set the option Provide MRP details and enable GST calculation on MRP, inclusive of tax, to Yes. Press Ctrl A to accept the configuration. In the stock item alteration screen, update the GST rate as 40%. Set Calculate GST on MRP, inclusive of tax, to Yes. Enter the effective date. Then enable Set Alter MRP Details. In the MRP Details screen, enter the required information. If you want to modify the MRP while recording transactions, set Allow MRP Modification in Voucher to Yes. Enter the applicable MRP rate. Once the details are entered, press Ctrl A to save the stock item. With the GST rate and MRP details configured, you are now ready to record transactions. Open Sales Voucher. Enter stock item, quantity, and rate of sale. In the GST rate and related details screen, the taxable value field displays the sales value of the item, while the tax is calculated on the tax-inclusive MRP. Select the appropriate tax ledger in Sales Voucher. Press Alt-A to view the tax breakup in the GST Tax Analysis Report. You can see the selling price under taxable value. However, the GST is calculated on tax-inclusive MRP. Press Escape to return to Voucher Creation screen. Press Ctrl A to save the voucher. When you print the sales voucher, the invoice displays the sales value under taxable value, and the tax is calculated based on the MRP. You have now successfully recorded a sales transaction with GST calculated on tax-inclusive MRP. Similarly, you can record a purchase transaction. You can view these transactions in GST reports such as GSTR1, GSTR3B, Annual Computation, GSTR1 Reconciliation, GSTR2AE Reconciliation, and GSTR2B Reconciliation, and continue return filing as usual. Across all reports, the sales value will be reflected under taxable value. However, the tax will be calculated based on the tax-inclusive MRP. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.